Hello again. This is the second part of question 45. So let me just refresh your memory. In the first part, we got this bag with n red and 2 black, and so the probability of drawing 2 red and 1 black is this lot here. That's the probability of getting 2 red and 1 black, and then you had to go ahead and show that. Now, even if you couldn't do that going ahead and showing it, you can use this result in part B. And commonly that is the way. If there's something that you need for the second bit, they'll give you as the answer. So even if you can't get it, you can at least do the second half of the question. So let's just go down to that. We've got the second part says if that probability is 12 over 5, determine the number of red marbles in the bag. Now n, you will remember, is the number of red marbles in the bag, and there's the expression. So let's just write down what we've got. We've got that 6 into n minus 1 over n plus 1 to n plus 2, and that probability, that equals 12 out of 35. So it looks, reasonably straightforward, hopefully, that we just have to solve that equation and find what n is. Okay, to solve that, well, I can see first of all we've got a 6 and a 12 here, so let's make it simple on ourselves. Divide both sides by 6. That goes into there, that goes into there, twice. Okay, now let's multiply both sides by 35 and both sides by n plus 1 times n plus 2. So what you'll get is that 35 into n minus 1, that's multiplying by the 35, and multiplying by that we get 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So I've done two things at once there. I've multiplied both sides by 35, that's got rid of it on the right hand side, and both sides by n plus 1 times n plus 2, and that's got rid of it on the left hand side, and we're left with that. The method now is let's multiply it all out, we'll get a quadratic, and then we'll solve that. So multiplying out we get 35n minus 35 equals 2 into n squared plus 3n plus 2. Let's take it all to the right hand side. 0 equals, expand this, 2n squared plus 6n plus 4 minus, what those things are, that's minus 35n plus 35. That's bringing those two over to the other side. 0 equals 2n squared. Now our n's, we've got plus 6 minus 35 minus 29 plus 4 plus 35 plus 39. Got to factorise that. Now to get to 39, there's only one way, 3 13s, or 39 times 1. So 3 and 13, 13 2s are 26, and 3, that's going to get it. So 13 and 2, oh, excuse me, 3, 13 3s are 39, and that's got to be positive, the middle bit's got to be negative. So let's just check. Minus 26 minus 3 is minus 29, and 3 13s are 39. That's it. So from this we either get n equal to 3 over 2 or 13. Well, n is the number of red marbles in the bag, so it's not going to be that one because that's our 1.5 marbles. N equals 13. We've got 13 marbles in the bag. 13, sorry, red marbles. And there we go. That's that.